on YouTube. Oh, what a beautiful day it is. I've been out bathing. Really windy. We're off to Bedford. Lots of bikes out. I've hit the mirror again. Back stroll on. Ainsworth Ride, I'll be on my case about that one. Always knocking that right hand mirror every time I take it out the garden on the fence post. He's got himself the I watched one of his videos last night. He's got himself a new bike. Yes, he's gone and got a Himalayan. Oh, a bit windy. Hey. Well, Coney Western 4. It was quite nice down at Coney Western. And it's a motorcycle parade coming at us. Loads of bikes out, love it. Absolutely love it. And there's another one. Loads of motorcycles out. Absolutely loads of us. Brilliant. Super fabulistic, in fact. It's absolutely super fabulistic to see these bikes out. Man, they're having a break on his bike. Welcome to the country, we're gonna eat a lot of peaches. Fella's in a bit of a hurry today, boys. Calm yourself down, girl. You're supposed to be cruising. Well, I'm getting blown around. There's forest and farmland and more forest and more farmland. It's crazy. There's so much of it to see. I'm a very lucky man to be riding out here in it. Very lucky. Very bumpy down this road, very, very bumpy. It's alright, but I can handle it. Popping into Tesco's to get the missus's medicines for mine because I have no serotonin levels in my brain. I told you about the bad accident I had years ago. Well, it messed up my brain a bit. Well, I've got no serotonin levels left, which I suffer with depression because of it. Motorcycling is my my happy place, if that makes sense. I'm happiest when I'm out on this on a little motorcycle, little Honda.